Hello friends, in this quiz we will try to recognize a country from its map. Now I am gonna show you a blank map of a country with only its borders and we will try to recognize the country name. And if you don't know what a blank map is, this is for an example a map of United States of America. The difficulty level will increase from beginning to end. Okay, so we have our first map here. This might be easy. I'm gonna give you 4 options, and the options are A. Indonesia, B. Malaysia, C. France, and D. India. This is rather easy, and your time starts now. Okay, so answer to this question is India. Our second map is here, and the option for this is A. Germany, B. France, C. Kazakhstan, and D. Brunei. Your 5 seconds starts now. And the answer to this question is B. France. As you can see, the third map is already on the screen, and the options for this is A. Pakistan, B. Bangladesh, C. China, or D. Taiwan. Okay, so this was rather easy, and the answer to this question is Bangladesh. Difficulty level is increasing slightly, and the fourth map we have here, I'm gonna give you the option. The first option is Afghanistan, Cambodia, North Korea, or Mexico. So your 5 second ends here, and the right answer is C. North Korea. This is map of North Korea. Map, as you can already see, the map is already here, and the option for this is A. Indonesia, B. Vietnam, C. Tajikistan, and D. Pakistan. Since the difficulty level has increased a little bit, I am gonna give you a hint from now on. So the hint for this map is, if you live in India, this is the most famous country. So that was about 5 seconds, and the answer to this question is D. Pakistan. The option for this is A. Finland, B. New Zealand, C. Ireland, and D. Scotland. And the hint for this is this country was uninhabited by humans up to 13th century. So that's about 5 seconds, and the answer to this question is B. New Zealand. Seventh map is already on the screen, and the option for this is A. Finland, B. Thailand, C. Tajikistan, and D. Germany. And the hint is the capital city of this country is the most visited city in the world. So 5 seconds ends here, and the answer to this is Thailand. Okay, so our 8th map is already on the screen, and the option for this is A. Indonesia, B. Malaysia, C. Brunei, or D. Vietnam. The hint for this country is this is the country whose capital is Kuala Lumpur. So here goes your 5 seconds, and the answer is B. Malaysia. For the 9th map, which is already on the screen, are A. Madagascar, B. South Africa, C. Kenya, and D. Argentina. And the hint for this is it is an island nation. Choice is option A. Madagascar. Options for the 10th question, the map is already on the screen, and the options are A. Lesotho, B. Luxembourg, C. Mozambique, and D. South Africa. Hint for this map is this nation is in the continent of Africa. So the 5 second ends here, and the answer to this question is D. South Africa.